Okay, when you visit the machine, there's the full body. And this is G5 handle, connect with the machine. This is the machine body you visit. And then have this all part. This part is the holder, handle holder. And this is the laser holder. And this is power line. And this is the stand handle to keep this holder. And this is 8 laser pads. And this is the filter. This is the massage handle. And this is the 14K handle. This is the 3 vacuum suction handle, small, middle, and large. And this is the massage handle. And this is vibration handle. And this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is can change to use for this G5 handle. That's all the part you can visit.
好，先把2个支架装上。
Put these 2 at this side. Make sure it's tight. And open this. Put this holder and make back the mouse. Okay, make sure the tight. And then these 2
挂上去。
You can see this wire to put inside. Okay. Okay.
需要拧进去。
Okay, that's okay. This is the filter. This must to up down there. Put the handle on the holder step by step. You can take out this one. Okay, and you can connect step by step for the handle. This you can see this is the holes and choose the hole. Yes, choose the right hole. Yes, this is the 2 hole, so you choose the 2 hole. All this. Okay, so it's that one. Two holes. The 4 laser pads is connect up these 4 holes. Those 4 are same as the left side. Okay, that's the completing of the installing. And connect the power line. Okay, then can start open the machine. And this is the massage band. This one we normally recommendation to 5 star. The height is 10, so 5 is the standard. We normally use this to star. And you can base your customer feeling to up and down. This is the massage hand to release the skin and release the cellulite. It can use for whole body, neither this elbow and the leg and the hand. And then this vibration also 5 star, and this also 5 star, and this is also A. This is the standard one. This the vibration hand can massage like this to remove the cellulite and the bad sense. And this BIO. BIO1, normally this A is standard. You need to choose another. And BIO we normally choose 5, and this heat intensity also 5. This is the standard. And this is the massage handle. And this is the 14K cavitation. The 14K we recommendation to 10 star from 10 because the height is 20. So the 10 is the standard. You can this mode choose A. And so this is the standard one you can use. This is the 14K cavitation hand.
只操作有脂肪的地方。
Only use for the fat burning. This is the wickham handle, and we normally choose this is 1 is okay, and this is 5. This is 5. That's the standard one. If the customer can bear with the more energy, you can add this too. And this is the base coating. 1, 2, 3 is the same. This is the biggest wickham suction handle. Can for the body massage and for the cellulite remove.
管理游离脂肪。有产品可以滑得快一点。
You can use this one with the gel or the cream or the slimming oil. And this massage also 5. Choose the 5 is the standard to start. This the Clomo massage hand, also called G5. It can for the big area cellulite remove or the massage. The power is very big, so it need to be careful.
可以定点，可以滑动。
You can step by step to remove. You can can replace to this hand. You can according to the different area to connect with different hands. And this the laser pad. Laser pad also we use the 10. 10 is the highest, so you can choose 5 to start and boot A. Firstly, use the belt to tie in this stub, and then put the laser pads inside. You can put there are 8 laser pads. You can put 8 together or only 4 based on customer requirement. 那边
亮了亮了
可以
，OK。
OK。